I've got my Ipsy original, so if you want to see what's inside and hear about the products, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't in the room with me, although, well, Bandit is. He's up on the stairs. You won't see him. But Chloe's feeding Dexter. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collabs, giveaways, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so here is the bag design. No fancy zipper thing here, but it is like a little puffer. The inside is just kind of plain, nothing fancy about that, no like special lining. We do have a card that tells us about our products, but I did pull it up on the website too so I can get more information. So first we have by Ace Beauty, the Fresh Phase Primer. The size on this is 10 milliliters. It is a lightweight primer that's going to glide on. It's going to help blur the appearance of pores and create a smooth, even canvas for makeup application. It does have aloe vera in it, which is very soothing. And it's going to keep your skin fresh and hydrated. Now, I don't see this on the Ace Beauty website, so I don't know what the full size would be or what the value of this is. Let's see if it says on here. It does. It says that the full size is 30 milliliters, and that is $25. So we are looking at 1/3 of that. So this would be $8.33. Let me put it over here so you can kind of see it against the white. Next by Blink is their Tubing Brow Juice. Okay, it says it's a clear brow gel that's going to set, shape, and nourish all in one swipe. So let's give it a try. Okay, it has a nice little wand there. Has a pleasant scent, and it does have vitamin B5, which is supposed to help with regrowth. And the full size of this product would be 8 milliliters for $24. This is 5 milliliters, and it carries a value of $15. Next, we have the tiniest Tatcha bottle I have ever seen, and super cute. Love that it's at least in a little box. This is the Longevity Serum. So there's how the little bottle looks. It says it's a multitasking serum. It's going to visibly firm, smooth, and strengthen. Now it says it's powered by adenosine, which I don't know what that is, as well as Tatcha's proprietary blend. And it's going to help reduce aging cells and support natural resilience for plumper, more collagen-rich appearances. Now, the full size of this, which would be 30 milliliters, is going to cost $80. This is 5 milliliters, so we are looking at about $13.33 in value. Next, by e.l.f. Cosmetics, we have what I'm believing is going to be a full-size product. This is the Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen, and this is in clear. So there were other colors, but the color they sent me was clear. This is a full size with a $9 MSRP. Now it does say that it is a juicy, non-sticky formula and that it's infused with blueberry, watermelon, and pomegranate extracts. Okay, excited. I wish it had a little color, but I'm okay with the clear. And then last, we have something I'm really excited about because I love this brand. It's Earth Harbor, and this is their Treasure, which is a barrier boosting glazing milk. It says it's a cushiony moisturizer that's going to help calm, revive, and plump. It has oat ceramides. It's also going to lock in hydration. And then there's a golden herb complex that's going to work to visibly boost your glow and bring life back on those dry skin days, which it's winter time, and you know we get a lot of dry skin days. It's so much drier in the winter, at least here in New England. Now the full size of this for 60 milliliters is $22, so great price point. Earth Harbor has some great price points, and it's great skincare. That means that this 10 milliliter size that they sent us has a value of $3.67. All right, so guys, what do you think? Was this worth it? Their theme is a year of yes. Is this a yes? What do you think? I'm really excited about the Earth Harbor because I love their products. I am always down to try a little Tatcha. Love a lip plumper. Love brow gel. All right, so Ipsy, I think you did good for January. I think this is a nice original bag. It's a good way to kick off the year, a nice variety of products. But you guys let me know, what are your thoughts? 5 products, 0 to 5, 0 meaning you like none, 5 meaning you like them all. What do you rate it? Okay, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.